What is a carbon cleaner, and what does carbon cleaning do for your engine? Understanding carbon cleaning fundamentals can save you unnecessary repairs and maintain engine efficiency and performance. So how does a carbon cleaner work exactly? Carbon cleaners use advanced detergent chemistry to dissolve carbon deposits that accumulate on intake valves, combustion chambers, and fuel system components. What does carbon cleaning do for engine performance? It restores power output and fuel economy by removing these deposits that restrict airflow, reduce compression, and interfere with proper fuel atomization. How does carbon cleaning benefit performance specifically? By restoring proper airflow through intake valves, improving fuel spray patterns from injectors, and eliminating hotspots in combustion chambers that cause knock and pre-ignition. Modern direct injection engines are particularly susceptible because fuel doesn't wash over the intake valves like in port injection systems. Carbon deposits form from incomplete combustion, oil vapors, and fuel additives that leave residue during normal operation. Professional fuel-based carbon cleaning uses concentrated detergent packages that circulate through the entire fuel system and sometimes reach areas that mechanical cleaning cannot easily access. Effective carbon cleaning requires professional-grade fuel additives with concentrated detergent packages that include multiple amines, including polyether-amine. For diesel engines, quality solutions such as Oilsin Carbon Code, DPF and Turbo Doctor, or Arch Oil AR6400D Max, provide comprehensive carbon removal throughout the fuel system. For petrol engines, specialized formulations such as Oilsin P-Tech Petrol Doctor or Arch Oil AR6400P Max deliver targeted carbon cleaning action. Need expert advice on carbon cleaning for your specific engine? Contact us for free expert help and recommendation on the best approach for your situation.